Welcome to another video on our EmbeddedCraft channel. In this video tutorial, we will show networking between Linux host and guest virtual machine on QEMU. We will use the network address translation method. We have already posted a video showing running Linux as a virtual machine on QEMU. This is the command line argument for running QEMU. This last line is to configure QEMU Monitor. This is description of each option. Here is the architecture of Linux Gust VM. This is TAP network interface in Linux host. Front-end network device will be of TAP type. This TAP interface will be placed on bridge. DNS server is running to provide IP address on devices present at bridge. Routing table is present to route traffic to bridge interface. This is script file, where QEMU command is written. We need QEMU-IFUP file. Visit QEMU website, refer provided link. Copy the content from this section and create a file. We need to place QEMU-IFUP file into etc directory. QEMU-IFUP present in etc directory. We need to give required QEMU-IFUP file. Need to install bridge utils, IP tables, and DNS mask server. Let us run our Linux virtual machine. Linux VM got IP address automatically. We can ping Linux Gust from host machine. We can also ping host machine from Linux guest. SSH login is successful. Now we are in Linux virtual machine. We can also do SSH login to Linux host. Let us open QEMU Monitor. Info network command. Here is the tap interface as provided to Linux guest. This is tap in Linux host. Note down the MAC address of tap and bridge interface. This is the MAC ID of Linux guest. We can see network devices present on bridge interface. We can see that route exists in Linux host to bridge BR0. With this we are going to end this session. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to subscribe EmbeddedCraft YouTube channel.